Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna present you the Sweeva 2000 robot vacuum cleaner. Last time I've been unpacking and also testing the Sweeva 1000 model for around 95 bucks. This one costs a little bit more. It's around $130, but still is a budget vacuum cleaner, robot vacuum cleaner. So let's see what's inside. Just came in, I haven't seen that before, what's inside, so we're gonna see the whole set, what's in. Okay, let me take the thing out. Okay, so as before we have the user manual and everything, so this is the standard. Looks almost the same, actually exactly the same as the other robot, the older version. And from where I can see over here, it looks totally the same. We have the wall charger over here. We also have the base over here, the charging base. But first of all, we're gonna take out the robot. TCL Sweeva 2000 white version. So it's exactly the same as I've got before. Let's take a quick look inside and see if anything is different over here. Looks almost the same. Actually, it does look completely the same from the bottom, at least. I don't see anything different. This model should also have, in addition to the older version, it should have the Wi-Fi. So it should be also able to run after we choose the application of the TCL. Just, you know, from anywhere in the world you can launch it and just make it start cleaning. So this is the robot. And also, what do we have in here? So the charging base, completely the same, is the exact same charging base as before, as the older model has. No difference. That's how it looks. Yeah, so you need to put it just against the wall, so the robot just goes in and stays there to get charged. Oh, we got the magnetic stripes over here, so it has the option for the magnetic wall. This is the really cool. This is the thing that the older version Sweeva 1000 didn't have. So as you can see, we got the magnetic stripes over here. So we can set the magnetic wall anywhere we want to. We got two of them in the set. As you can see, they are really magnetic. So this is it. We also got a couple of sticky tapes, probably for the magnetic tapes. We got 4 brushes. So the 4 brushes, you can replace 2 of them. That's how they look. Let me get the focus on it. Yeah, well, that's how it looks. Standard brushes, nothing special. We got the filter over here, additional one, because one is already inside the robot. We got exactly the same remote control, and that does its thing, so it does the job. Additional AAA batteries, and that's it. So this is the whole set for the Sweeva 2000 TCL product, the robot cleaner. So thanks for watching and stay tuned, because we're gonna go for the test tomorrow. So you have a nice day, guys.